Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great. I just want to make a short video. This is the Lodge baking pan. Probably out of all of the modern Lodge stuff, I use this thing more than anything. I've made many videos making kolaches, different things in this. Always liked using this one. The girls gave this one to me for Christmas one year, so this will always be one of my favorites. But they came out with a new one. And right now you could only get it through Sam's, and luckily I have a friend of mine that went and picked me up one. This one is only about a quarter of an inch longer. It's got a full inch wider, and the lip is probably maybe a quarter inch deeper than the old one. It's kind of hard to tell. We'll get down. You can see there's just a little bit more to it. The biggest improvement I've seen on this one is the handles. It's actually got the helper handles on the skillets instead of the smaller one. So if you have gloves on, you can get more in the finger than just trying to get under it. It's got a lot of weight to it. I mean, it's gonna be a really good one, especially if you get both of them. You can cook up a lot of stuff at one time. So if you have a Sam's close and you've got somebody that can go get one, or you have a Sam's account, these are definitely going to be worth getting. I'm not sure, if this is going to be something special just for Sam's, or if they're going to eventually start selling this from Lodge or Amazon or any of that. But just in case they don't sell them anywhere else, you might want to go get one before they run out. Hope everybody has a great day.